Ahlan wa sahlan and welcome to the Rocket Arabic Take a Tour. In this short video, we are going to take you on a virtual tour of the Rocket Arabic members area, showing you the lessons and features this comprehensive course has to offer. After placing your order for the course, you will be forwarded straight to the dashboard. In order to get the most out of your course, we recommend using the Chrome browser. If you are on a mobile device, you will be prompted to install our free Rocket Languages app. From your dashboard, you can select any interactive audio, language and culture, writing or survival kit lesson, either by selecting from these sections here, or by clicking on these drop-down lists. You can also see your progress at a glance. Each of these icons represent a test included in the corresponding lesson. For example, hear it, say it, write it, etc. The icons change color as you complete each test. The dashboard is also where you access the module tests. We'll come back to these tests soon. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see links to other features of the course, such as My Vocab and the forum. And if you need to come back to the dashboard at any time, simply click here. The Rocket Arabic course includes 3 main types of lessons: interactive audio, language and culture, and writing lessons. Let's take a look at these in more detail, starting with an interactive audio lesson. The aim of these lessons is to teach you conversational Egyptian Arabic. It's all well and good memorizing a whole bunch of vocab, but you also need to know how to speak in full sentences. In each lesson, we start with a conversation, and then work on breaking that conversation down into smaller parts. Each audio track can be downloaded or listened to online. We've included a written version of the conversation as well as any extra vocab used in the lesson. And now for one of our favorite features, Rocket Record, our voice recognition software. This tool lets you play each phrase separately and then record yourself repeating that phrase. Our software processes your recording and then rates your pronunciation. The testing works in a similar way. Let's take a closer look. Hear It, Say It checks your understanding of the spoken language. Click on Get Started and listen to the audio. If you record yourself repeating the phrase, our software automatically suggests a rating for you depending on how close your pronunciation was, and will also give you the English translation for that phrase. If you prefer not to record yourself, simply click on the Reveal button to display the correct translation and select your own rating. It's useful to know that all ratings suggested by our tests can be overridden if you don't quite agree. Write It helps you improve your written language skills. Just listen to the audio and type in what you hear. Use the keyboard provided if you need special characters and don't already have one installed on your computer. To check your work and get your rating, click on Reveal. Know It takes things a step further by testing your translation skills. View the English and record your translation to receive a rating. For comprehension practice, check out the quiz. Select the correct answer and click Submit to get your score. And finally, we have Play It. In this test, you get to take part in the conversation by playing the role of one of the characters. There are different difficulty levels to choose from, so simply select your character and the level you'd like to test yourself on. Then click on Get Started to begin. Follow the transcript and record yourself taking part in the conversation, and when you're done, we'll suggest a rating for you. Once you have completed each test, the icons at the top of the page and on your dashboard will change color to reflect your results. So next, we move on to the language and culture lessons. Here's where you go to learn the grammar rules and also some cultural insights. The grammar is accompanied by audio tracks to help reinforce your understanding. At the end of the lesson, you will find the Hear It, Say It, Write It, and Know It tests, as well as the quiz. You can print the lesson by clicking on the PDF icon near the top of the page here. If you've never learned another language before, writing in Arabic might seem like a daunting task, but that's where our writing lessons come in. In these lessons, you will learn the basics of written Arabic, and you can watch Amira as she writes the letters out for you. And once you've completed the lesson, simply mark it as done by clicking here. The final thing we're going to show you in this tour are the module tests. If you really want to test your progress, this is where you should go. You will be tested on random phrases from within that section of the course and need to score more than 80% to pass. Once you have completed the first 4 module tests, we'll send you a certificate of achievement. The course also includes a final test that selects phrases from the entire level to test you on. Once again, a score of 80% or more is required to pass and receive a certificate. There are many other features included in this award-winning course, such as our Points and Badges system, the Members Forum, and MyVocab. Check out our other tutorials for more information on these features. If you need any help using your course, click on the Help link in your Members area to see our frequently asked questions and search for your issue. If you need to contact us, just use this contact form here. Or give us a call and one of our friendly customer service reps will be able to help. If you have any questions or if there's something we haven't already covered that you would like to see a video about, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to get your feedback. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. All the best for your language learning!